By the end of the video, we'll know about 30-minute full body workout. Quick and effective fitness routine. Hello, fitness enthusiasts. Are you ready to pump some iron and get your heart racing? Great! Today, we're going to tackle a comprehensive 30-minute full body workout that will get you fit and healthy. We'll be covering upper body, core strength, lower body, and cardio exercises to ensure we hit all muscle groups in just 30 minutes. Let's dive right in. For upper body, we'll start with push-ups for chest strength, followed by shoulder presses for shoulder and tricep muscles. Next, we'll move on to bicep curls for the arms. And finally, pull-ups or lock pulls for the back muscles. For core strength exercises, we have sit-ups and Russian twists to work on the abs. And don't forget about those glutes with squats. Moving on to cardio exercises, burpees is a sure way to raise your heart rate quickly. Add in some high knees and mountain climbers too. Remember to take short breaks between sets if needed. You can repeat this circuit twice or 3 times for a more intense workout session. And there you have it, a quick yet effective full body workout that will leave you feeling energized and accomplished. Remember to stay hydrated throughout your workout session. Thanks for joining me today in this fitness journey. If you enjoyed this video and want more workouts like this one, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, stay healthy and fit.